I'm working on these replacement windows. I want to remove the windows and remove the track so I can seal the frame of the window. So I'm popping the lower and upper windows out. And next I'm going to tackle unclipping this window track here. And this is kind of a tricky thing. I don't do it very often, and not exactly sure how it's going to work out, but I use a screwdriver and a putty knife and I'm able to unclip it. And I'm only doing a couple of the clips. I just need to work on the bottom of the frame, so I'm going to unclip just 2 of them. And if I had to do this a lot, I would probably make a tool to do it much more efficiently, because I'm always worried I'm going to break the plastic when I'm prying on it like that. I didn't, but I was afraid I would. But I'm able to unclip them, and I'll give you a better look at these clips from the top view. You can see what's going on with that. It's basically like a extruded clip on the front and the rear. There you go, you can see it there. And you basically pry that back out of the track and it unclips. And once you get one side unclipped, the other one comes right out because there's really not much holding it there. And now that I've got the bottom ones out, I can clean up around the bottom there and caulk the gap that to seal the window frame better. And here you see I've got the caulk put in, got the window sealed properly, and it's real easy to put the track back in. You basically just push it back into place and they lock in. The clips click in and lock with a positive feedback there. And next, put the windows back in place. There's these little holes in these sliding spring-loaded tracks, and there's pins in the window, and you just insert the pin in one side of the track, pull it down a little, and work the pin into the other side. You have to put the window in at sort of an angle to shorten it up, like you see there. Got it in the left side, then I click it into the right, and then I'll do the inner one here.